We got candy. Oh, we got the light on. I got, those peanut, circus peanut things.
Foam peanuts.
Mitchell got, what did you get? Gummy worms?
The classic gummy worm.
And I got a hat, and I'm not telling you which one I got. And it was $19.99. It was a really good deal. And my hats.
You hear that, Rocky?
And the birds have to go poop poop now. It's bedtime. Can you go poop poop for mommy, Rocky Bird? Everybody else went poop poop. Now we're just waiting on Rocky Bird because I woke him up.
He must go to sleep.
I know, you're a sleepy bird. Bird, bird, bird. Sleepy, sleepy, sleepy. I know. Go poop poop and then I'll put you back. Yes. Yes. You don't want to go back. You want to be kissed. Yeah. You want to dance, dance, dance.
Mimi Bird, where'd you go?
Mimi Bird's being a stinker. Dance, dance. So, our bill was less than what it was at Jenny's, and we have leftovers. So, Rachel will eat that in a few hours. So, Cracker Barrel is a good deal. Lots of food. I think it was $26 after a $5 tip. So it was like $21 for both our meals. I'm stuffed. Stuffed. You still want to dance? Say night night. Good night night. Say good night night. I'm gonna get you.
He's really tired.
I know, honey. Come on. I know, you don't want me to pick you up and play with you. I'm gonna tease you. No teasing.
Mimi, are you gonna be nice now?
Uh-oh, there goes the light. Good night for everyone. Mitchell's gotta drive. Do you want to rest or you want to drive?
I'm gonna drive.
Okay. On the road.